watch the Rugby World Cup. You know, South Africa was versus England. Any rugby supporters here? Yes. Okay, any white people here make some noise? It's like the IPL supporters league. So me and all my friends, Indian guys, you know, dressed in Springbok colors, green and gold, on the tube going to watch the game. British are confused. What are these Pakistanis supporting? So we thought we'd confuse them even more. We're shouting, South Africa Zindabad! I don't know what Zindabad means. You heard it all the cricket games, they say, Pakistan Zindabad. Sounds like Pakistan, things are bad. There was a cricket game not too long ago. This guy says to me, hey bro, why do you Pakistanis keep saying things are bad when you're winning? I was like, hey, I'm not a Pakistani. Then I was thinking, what is the difference between us Indian Muslims and Pakistanis, huh? Huh? What is the difference? You just managed to get on the ship in time. Yeah, the Hindus are laughing exactly. Well, see, what if Pakistan did have a rugby team, or what would that be like? I don't know if you get corners in rugby, huh? When you give them a corner, they open a shop. Hey, I don't know what Pakistani guy got the ball, the other guy, pass, no, how much you give me? Racist, right? Rugby in the Pakistani.